Rich businessmen and their huge donations. Mukesh Ambani, the Reliance Group. India's richest man Mukesh Ambani has come forward to help the nation in this tough time. He is the MD and chairman of the Reliance Group. Mukesh Ambani has donated a hefty amount of 500 crores to Prime Minister's Citizen Assistance and Relief in Emergency Situation Fund. Mukesh Ambani has also donated a hefty amount of 5 crore to Maharashtra Chief Minister's Relief Fund. He also donated 5 crore rupees to Gujarat Chief Minister's Relief Fund. The Reliance Group is also providing 50 lakh free meals for 10 days around the country. They're also giving 1 lakh free masks every day for the real heroes, health workers and caregivers. They are also giving PPE kits for health workers. Ratan Tata, the Tata Group. Business tycoon Ratan Tata, the chairman of the Tata Group, has come forward to help the nation during this tough time. The 82-year-old businessman recently took his Twitter account to announce about his contribution for PPE kits, respiratory system testing kits and many more. Ratan Tata announced that Tata Trust along with Tata Group of Companies is donating a hefty amount of 500 crores. N. Chandrasekharan, chairman of Tata Sun, also announced an additional contribution of whopping amount of 1000 crores. Anand Mahindra, Mahindra Group. The chairman of Mahindra Group of Companies, Anand Mahindra, has given up his 100% salary to create a fund during this time of crisis. The businessman also asked his employee to donate as much as possible as this is high time to help the nation. He also announced that ventilators will be produced at his factories as India lacks ventilators. He has also given his Mahindra Holiday Hotel for government to use it as a temporary care facility. Anita Dongre, the House of Dongre. Founder of the House of Dongre, Anita has decided to help people and employees related to her brand. She has donated an amount of 15 crores to provide medical support to small vendors, self-employed artisans and partners associated with her. Anil Agarwal, Vedanta Resources Limited. The chairman of Vedanta Resources Limited, Anil Agarwal, helped the Indian government financially to fight against the virus. This business tycoon has pledged to donate a whopping amount of 100 crores to help the nation for a greater good. Anupama Venugopal Nadella, wife of Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella. Microsoft CEO's wife Anupama's home state is Telangana and she has come forward to help her home state. Anupama Nadella contributed a whopping amount of 2 crores to the Chief Minister's Relief Fund of Telangana. Gautam Adani, Adani Group. The chairman of Adani Group, Gautam Adani, has contributed a whopping amount of 100 crores to help the nation. Uday Kotak, MD Kotak Mahindra Bank. The wealthiest banker of the country, Uday Kotak, who is the managing director of Kotak Mahindra Bank, has donated a huge amount. Uday Kotak in a tweet announced that he is donating an amount of 25 crore rupees to Prime Minister's Relief Fund. This businessman has also donated a whopping amount of 10 crores to Maharashtra CM's Relief Fund. Azim Premji, chairman of Wipro Limited. Chairman of Wipro Limited, Azim Premji, has extended his help for the greater good of the country in this tough time. Azim Premji, with the help of his various foundations, has donated a huge amount of 1,125 crores. Of the total amount, Wipro Limited donated 100 crore, Wipro Enterprises Limited donated 25 crores and Azim Premji Foundation contributed 1000 crores. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.